Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Mustang and Lamborghini Aventador. We'll explore how these two automotive titans, despite both being high-performance machines, offer incredibly distinct driving experiences and cater to different desires. One is an accessible icon, the other an exotic dream. Let's dive into what makes each vehicle unique and why they stand out in their respective classes. When it comes to raw power, both cars deliver, but in different ways. The Mustang often relies on its robust V8 engines, providing a thrilling, visceral experience. The Aventador, however, utilizes a magnificent V12, pushing boundaries with its incredible acceleration and top speed. This difference in engineering creates unique handling dynamics and overall performance characteristics for each vehicle. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, after all this talk about powerful machines, you'll need energy to drive them. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your fuel fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Visually, these cars are worlds apart. The Mustang maintains its classic muscle car silhouette, updated with contemporary aggression. The Aventador, on the other hand, is a pure supercar, with sharp, aerodynamic lines and signature scissor doors that scream exotic. Inside, the Mustang offers a driver-focused, comfortable cabin, while the Aventador provides a more race-inspired, luxurious cockpit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.